Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for more Bollywood updates.
Listen, like every time I speak to you, there is a new film, Fatima. Last time we spoke सूरज पे मंगल भारी, उसके बीच में लूडो आ गया. अब अजीब दास्तान का मजनू, मतलब वाह 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 वाह, मतलब you have become golden touch, Midas, King Midas.
I'm good. I'm glad कि हमारे पास जब भी हम लोग बात करते कोई फिल्म है. मतलब कितना बुरा होता कि अगर मेरे पास फिल्म नहीं होती बात करने के लिए.
I must tell you that I never imagined you do a character like Lipakshi, because it's very like opposite to what we've seen you play.
बबलू घर से बाहर है तो अंदर का शाहरुख जगह है.
I have also never imagined myself like that, just because it is, you know, different, very different from what I am. But I like the challenge. I always like to play कैरेक्टर्स जो मुझसे बहुत अलग है. मजा नहीं आता अगर मैं वही प्ले करूंगी. एक्चुअली मैंने अभी तक ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर प्ले नहीं किया जिसमें मैं हूँ. So I'm happy.
अब शशांक खेतान जो है, हमको पता है obviously he is like a jack of all trades. But does that help, Fatma, when you know there is an actor who's also a director and is directing you?
Of course it helps because जिस तरीके से ये सीन को समझाते हैं, because एक्टर है तो उनको पता है कि कैसे वो इमोशन तक पहुंचना है, rather than just saying कि हाँ कर लो. You then tap into a different perspective of that character because आप भी अपनी एक prep करते हो, आपकी भी एक understanding होती है character की. It's such a collaborative process and I'm, you know, very happy and glad that कि मुझे बहुत बेहतरीन actors के साथ काम करने का मौका मिलता है. तो काफी धमाल होता है. I तो love acting. I'm so happy that I'm.
Listen, we are literally seeing your growth. You know, the problem was with Dangal itself. You set up such high expectations. I think उसको break करना, but you have done it so beautifully.
अगर आपके पास एक अच्छा script हो और well edged character हो, well written character हो, then there is scope. मतलब आप 50 फिल्में कर लो, लेकिन अगर आपका पका हुआ character नहीं हो, आप उसमें थोड़ा सा, you know, you'll add yourself and your talent and whatever you can add to it, but there is only so much that you can do. अगर character का यही है कि वो आता है और जाता है, फिर आप क्या करोगे उसमें आके, मतलब क्या करोगे? And then you can, how much acting can you do? You have to be honest to the moment also, no?
How difficult or easy was it to be like this whole seductive self? Because we've never seen that cat. Every time I see you on Instagram and all, you're like, hey, you know, hey buddy.
So that, you know, that's the beauty of playing different and difficult characters, because then you become comfortable with those characters. Inhibitions भी उतर जाता है आपके personal life में.
So did you have inhibitions while playing this character at all?
So it's a little difficult to do a lot of things in your real life because you think what are people going to say. But with film, no, on a set you're completely free. You know you're not being judged. ये तो character है. Character में लिखा गया है वो ऐसी. तो I can do whatever I want and I can be however I want. So वो थोड़ा liberating होता है, पता है? मतलब literally, like you can get away with a murder in a film. You're not really murdering somebody, but you have to feel the emotion, right? You have to feel the angst. You have to feel those emotions. But Shashank was incredible and it's such a well-written character. And once you understand the emotion of the character, then you don't, you know, I did not judge her because Shashank did not judge her. Like he was pro Lipakshi, he was pro all the characters. So yeah. I think that's why it was a very cool and a very easy journey.
And I love the fact that finally we are talking about women's desires. Because ये कभी हो, अभी finally मतलब people are acknowledging the fact कि हमारे भी desires होते हैं.
नहीं संगीता, I think in, you know, we've had literature, we've had films, we've had stories, we've had paintings of women, you know, where their desires have been showcased. So हर generation में, हर era में आपको कोई ना कोई ऐसा मिलेगा ही जो ऐसी कहानियां बता रहा है या ऐसी पेंटिंग कर रहा है, ऐसा लिटरेचर लिख रहा है. ये हमेशा से होता आ रहा है. अब अभी भी हो रहा है. अभी आपके पास मीडियम है, आप बहुत सारी चीजें देख सकते हो. You know, आप मंटो कितने सारे हैं. There are many examples.
Now I'm going to obviously throw the last part of our interview is rapid fire, which I anyway do with you every time. Are you ready? What do you love about being an actor?
That I get to experience different lives in this one lifetime.
Okay, what do you dislike about being an actor?
Just the uncertainty. कि कल काम होगा नहीं होगा, क्या होगा, future क्या है, because you're as good as your last film.
The best selfie pose, you have to show it to us.
Selfie pose.
This is your favorite selfie pose.
मतलब मेरे को वो होता है ना, जब भी कैमरा आता है ना तो मैं ऐसे हो जाती हूँ. I don't know why.
Okay, if you had an option to now become a photographer, would you become a photographer or stick to acting?
No, I can do anything. I can do multiple things. Look at Shashank. He's inspiring me to do multiple things. There's so much of time.
Current obsession क्या है सना का?
यार, I have been collecting coffee from everywhere. Turkey गई वहाँ से ले आऊंगी, Ukraine गई वहाँ से, और I called for it. So I have an obsession of coffee, collecting coffee from different places.
Your favorite memory on set of this film was what?
बस बहुत धमाल किया है यार, बहुत धमाल किया. I had so much fun. Every day was so much fun.
Given a chance to have a conversation with a celebrity, okay, who would it be?
Shahrukh.
Oh, love, huh?
You know, he's so amazing. I love his speeches. I watch each and every interview of his. मुझे बहुत मतलब उनके किसी अंबानी के स्कूल में बच्चों का ग्रेजुएशन हो रहा है, रैंडम इंटरव्यू मैं वो भी देखती हूँ. You know, he has a very good sense of humor, and he is very confident. Like he'll say, "I'm the best." कोई और बोलेगा आई एम द बेस्ट, तो बोलो यार तू मतलब कहाँ से क्यों बोल रहा है?
समझता है अपने आप को.
But I believe him. You know, when he says कि I'm the best and I'm this and that, I'm like, yes you are. I'm with you. How do you do it? Like how does he have so much of confidence? I just love him.
Okay, now I'm going to throw actor names at you. These are people whom you worked with. Okay, one word for each of them. Rajkumar Rao.
Very versatile as an actor.
Diljit.
He's so shy, but he's like full of talent. So उसको क्या बोलते हैं वो छोटा बॉम्ब बट बड़ा धमाका. He's that.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Legend.
Tanya.
वो तो मेरी जान है यार. Amazing. We have to appreciate what a great dancer she is.
I just saw recently her reel, man. Oh my god. Even those like 90s songs, she does all those contemporary moves. It's
धमाल है वो.
Yeah,
she's a teach. She's a choreographer also.
Jaideep Ahlawat.
Gentle giant.
Gentle giant, I like. I'm going to use this. Gentle giant he is. If Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Raju Irani offered a movie to you, which movie would you do first?
दोनों का हाँ बोल दूंगी. देखो इंडस्ट्री में एक चीज समझ चुकी हूँ, कोई फिल्म आती है हाँ बोलो, डेट्स के लिए मत झगड़ो क्योंकि डेट सॉर्ट हो जाएंगे. हाँ बोल दो बस. Okay,
last question. An Insta trend that you hate. Listen, I'm fuck out of all the reels now, yeah.
I love memes. I love reels.
Memes addict.
मैं बहुत धमाल होता है, मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है. So
any meme of yours you remember reading?
तो एक वाला बहुत फनी था, उसमें टाइगर श्रॉफ का फोटो था, प्रियंका गांधी का फोटो था, एक मेरा फोटो था और एक और मेरे जैसे दिखने वाली लड़की का था, एंड डिफरेंट फेसेस ऑफ प्रियंका गांधी ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ था. So it was too funny.
I like the fact that you also laugh at yourselves. Not many people can do that.
I reposted it Twitter. That was the biggest mistake because उससे पहले सब मैंने देखा था, उसके बाद सबने देखा.
One last message for everybody who's going through different things now because of COVID.
Firstly, people should not be too judgmental about what other people are doing or posting, because there is other side to everybody else, you know. So I think let's try and be positive, hopeful and supportive of everybody around us, because it's a very 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 difficult times. I mean, आप और मैं घर पे बैठ के कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ना मैं डॉक्टर हूँ ना आप डॉक्टर हो, हम लोगों को ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते. We can only, the only thing that we can do is not burden the system. So let's not test ourselves unnecessarily, because there are people who are waiting for the test result to come so that they can get a bed. So let's be careful and let's follow the precautions and protocols, and let's hope that it ends jaldi, and try to keep your morale up, try to read positive things, try to be positive, be with your family, FaceTime karo, because abhi yahi ek tarika hai. So just be safe guys, be safe and be happy.
Yeah, and I'm hoping I'll meet you face to face soon.
Inshallah.
When all of this ends, yes. So all the best and lots of love to you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Chalo, bye bye.
Heart
to you.
Heart to you.
Chalo, bye.
Bye.